We got Riley and Ike. We're at the Catherine Creek Wildlife Management Area. This will be the second day with Riley, introducing her to a shotgun, the sound of a shotgun. Yesterday when we did the shotgun, watch this clip. Riley, sit. No, Riley, sit. Good girl. That's good. Good job, Riley. Good girl. Hi, ducks. How you guys doing? Good girl, Riley. That's good. Good job. Sit. Sit. All right, come here. All right, here. Here. Leave the ducks alone. Now yesterday when we did the shotgun, Riley, the first 2 or 3 times I shot the shotgun, you can see her head move, she has a response, but then the other 2 or 3 times after that, she stops responding in that manner. There's just a little slight shaking. That is normal. That's totally normal for a dog the first time you're introducing them to a shotgun. So this will be the second day. Let's see if she responds less. That's what we're looking for. And she's not acting freaked out. She probably knows why we're here, to swim. That's one of the reasons. Sit. Sit. Good. Good. Sit. Good. Much less. Good. Good girl. Sit now. Sit. Good. Good girl. Nice. Nice. Sit. You want to go swimming? Okay, go swimming. That's practically nothing. That's real good, Rye. Go swimming, Rye. She heads right for the water. Yeah, she's just excited. She's not responding to the sound. Now I'll try and shoot the shotgun when she's in the water, see what she does. All right, go in there. All right. Pretty good. Pretty good. Good girl, Rye. That's good. That's real good. She's not running for the car or anything. Yeah, Riley, good girl. Fuck yes, yes. We got it now. Let me get a couple more shells. She's looking around like I shot a duck or something. Tail's up and she's wagging. Good girl, Riley. Good girl. Come here, baby. Come here, Riley. That's good. Good girl. I feel much better. I feel great. The dog's doing great. Now, understand that this won't take care of all sounds. It'll only take care of sounds that are like this, like the shotgun or, a rifle. Anything like a vacuum cleaner, a weed eater, that should be gone over with the dog too, because she'll keep responding to those different sounds. But she's not responding negatively to a shotgun. Let me see if I got a few more shells. Now the trick is to get the dog to associate the blast and the smell of gunpowder with something positive. In this case, it would be swimming. We could also incorporate some retrieves, which we would probably do next time. But we want her to understand that this and the sound is something that's good. It's not anything to be afraid of. And remember, if you're not afraid and your dog is acting afraid, that's no good. Riley. Good girl. No, I leave it. She's not afraid. All right, get in there. Riley. She's not afraid at all. Oh, that's not good. No, let it go. No, Ike. Ike. Ike, I'll get it. Leave it alone. All right, bring it here. Ike, here. It was a shell that was rusty, so it wouldn't go all the way into the gun. It was underwater. Ike went and got it. All right, Riley's right next to me. Her tail is up and it's wagging. Good girl. Kick ass. Nice job, Rye. Don't worry about the first session with the shotgun. Just make sure that the dog is in a high collar and the dog can't get any forward motion. That's the problem, the dog that's fearful when it starts running away from it. Don't let it run away from it. Make a deal with it. Tell it no if it's popping out of position. That's it. A crate is a great thing for all dogs. Like if your dog is fearful of the, say, the vacuum cleaner, you put the dog in the crate so that it can't continue this behavior. So if Riley, let's say her mom is going to use a vacuum cleaner, put her in another room. A crate would be best, but put her in another room before you start up the vacuum cleaner, or even bring it out. Maybe we'll have time to go over the vacuum cleaner, weed eater, I don't know. Maybe we could start doing that this afternoon. But the bottom line is this. The dogs don't get better on sound phobias unless you're going to, work with them. It's about working with the dog, making sure that the dog understands there's nothing to be afraid of. There's nothing. Now Riley is she's sitting there looking at me to shoot the gun. That's it. Shotguns are a done deal. Now we could start upping the loads. We could go to 3-inch, 3.5-inch. We go to heavier loads. It's a done deal.